The next clip we're gonna be watching is called Don't Give Subaru Fireworks. Firework. Oh my god, this game. I love this game. Let's go. Let's see does Subaru actually destroy the FPS too much? Or not. Let's get to this. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god!
ということでですね、ちょいソロライブに来て、おーじゃらすばーマイクの音が振り切れとる。今日は何をするかと言いますと、みんなで花火大会をしようと思います。
Is Subaru hyperactive? Because she's extremely like when she even started, I immediately got a bit like had just the energy of myself just rised a bit too much.
ついてんのかな?
Oh god.
すごーい。ちょっと待って、なんで横向かって上がっていくの? いいですねー。
It actually looks very pretty, this fucking game. Oh my god. What is that? Viper? Oh! Oh, that goes that car.
こんなもんでいいだろ.
Jesus Christ, well. Oh my god. You didn't put it. You didn't put the exit.
終わっちまった。みんな出れねえや今日。ちょっと。
You didn't put the
出れないんだけど、やばい。これはしもうた。これはしもうたで。ちょっと待って。しもうたなんだけど。つけるよ。つけるよみんな。つけるよ。いくよ。3、2、1、
Oh, come on, jump and go! Jump and go! Subaru! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh my god! What the fuck? Yeah. And the city is destroyed. Jesus Christ. Doom boom. Oh no. Holy shit, oh my god. Yeah. Yeah. This is so many particles and shit. You need a NASA computer to even just have fun with this game. Jesus Christ, man. Oh my god. Okay, this moment here. This moment is so apocalyptic. Look at this. Just look at, holy shit.
綺麗だ。綺麗だ。 すごいことになっちゃった。
This game would be so fucking cool to do in VR. I hope they have VR support for this because this is it's just so good because we always I mean at least me I always wait out for like a special events that they're gonna do fireworks and then I go out the yard and just look at them from afar. I've never been near fireworks, sadly.
ちょっとみんなすごいことになっちゃった。
So any game with fireworks that you control is gonna be absolutely legendary. Oh Jesus, run. Oh my god. What? Oh thank god. That was oh my god, I was gonna say that was anticlimactic. Jesus Christ. For fuck's sake, Subaru, go back and let us see what's happening. I just see lights and that's it. That's it. Big surprise! Big surprise! I mean, not like that. I mean, Subaru's doing it wrong. Firework isn't pretty when you're like underneath it. They're pretty when you're far away and look at them happening in the sky and look at the like near atmosphere, or like even from a space. It looks amazing. I still remember. I said there are some movies that they show, like TV shows and movies, and they show literally fireworks from a space, and it looks gorgeous, man.
クリミナルをたくさん置いていきましょう。
They should actually do like a moon view for this game too. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at that! Look at that! That looks amazing! That looks so good. Like, okay, the plant life and like the buildings look like fucking plastics and shit, but the lighting and the fireworks itself looks so gorgeous. Holy crap. I can't wait for them to like optimize this to the maximum, and you can like just do this on any computer. Mushy Oozora police. Wait a minute. Yeah. When you put things in a house that are like ignitable, they're still going. It's still going. Jesus! Yeah! Five ad break? 5? Wait, what? That's impossible. Wait a second. What should I do? Loop 1, what do I do with the point that you just redeemed? Oh, it's whispering, I think. It's whispering. Makes me whisper. I have to whisper now. Okay. Let's continue. Let's go. Oh my god. It's just too much. I mean, you put a lot. You put a light and you put like ignitable things in a fucking house with a chimney. Yeah. What universe do you live in? Viper 2. Holy shit. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Holy shit, you can't even see the rest of them now. Oh god. Huh. What? Sudden flare. Yeah, the FPS doesn't exist in that computer anymore. And the computer is like just swearing. Ran just left and right. Yeah, she has so much fucking energy. Like, there's Jesus amount of energy on her. Well, yeah, we whispered, so just complete that.